Most people fail to make money online not because they don't try, but because they follow the wrong strategies. They get caught up in fake promises, shady schemes, or methods that simply don't work long-term. But what if I told you there's a real way to build a sustainable online income of $10,000 per month, without relying on luck, scams, or impossible workloads? In this video, I'll walk you through 5 proven strategies that can take you from struggling to thriving. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll reveal a powerful secret that can help you scale your earnings even faster. So, are you ready to stop wasting time and start making serious money online? Let's get into it. The biggest misconception about making money online is that it's either too complicated or too risky. The truth: it's neither, if you know where to start. Making $10,000 a month isn't magic. It's about leveraging the right strategies and scaling them over time. The key is to focus on income streams that grow, not just quick cash grabs. And today, I'm giving you a step-by-step roadmap to build an online income that actually lasts. The first strategy: selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require inventory, shipping, or high upfront costs. You create something once and sell it again and again. Think online courses, ebooks, printables, templates, stock photos, or even software. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Shopify make it super easy to sell digital products, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's say you're good at graphic design. You could sell Canva templates. If you know how to budget effectively, you could create an ebook on personal finance. The best part? Once your product is live, sales can come in on autopilot. And with proper marketing, one successful digital product can easily bring in over $10,000 per month. Next up, we have passive income through content creation and affiliate marketing. If you've ever watched a YouTube video, read a blog post, or scrolled through a TikTok and saw a product recommendation, you've witnessed affiliate marketing in action. Content creators earn commissions every time someone buys through their links. You don't need millions of followers to start. A niche audience is enough. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs where you can promote products and get paid. Imagine you start a finance blog, write an article about the best credit cards for beginners, and place affiliate links inside. Every time a reader signs up, you get paid. Now combine that with ad revenue from YouTube or a blog, and your earnings start stacking fast. The third strategy is where things get really exciting: using AI to automate and scale online income. AI is revolutionizing freelancing, content creation, and business automation, making it easier than ever to earn money with less effort. For example, tools like ChatGPT can write blog posts, Midjourney can generate art, and Copied AI can create sales pages. Let's say you want to offer content writing services. You can use AI to generate high-quality drafts, saving you hours of work and allowing you to take on more clients at once. Or if you're into e-commerce, you can use AI-generated designs for print-on-demand products and sell them on Etsy or Redbubble. AI isn't just a trend, it's a game changer for anyone looking to work smarter, not harder. Now let's talk about high-income online services. One of the fastest ways to hit $10,000 per month. The best part? You don't need years of experience. Skills like copywriting, video editing, social media management, or coaching are in high demand, and clients are willing to pay top dollar for them. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn connect freelancers with paying clients, and you can charge premium rates if you position yourself as an expert. Let's say you're good at social media. Businesses are constantly looking for managers to handle their Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn accounts. If you land just 5 clients at $2,000 per month, you've already hit the $10,000 mark. And the best part? You control your schedule and pricing. The fifth strategy? Investing in digital assets. This is where smart money moves can generate huge profits. Instead of starting from scratch, you can buy and flip websites, domains, NFTs, or even small online businesses. Platforms like Flippa and Empire Flippers allow you to buy websites that are already making money, improve them, and sell them for a profit. For example, you might find a blog earning $500 a month, optimize the SEO, add more affiliate links, and flip it for $10,000 plus. It's like real estate, but for the internet. If you have some capital to invest, this strategy can skyrocket your income. So, let's recap. The 5 real ways to make $10,000 per month online are: selling digital products for passive income, content creation plus affiliate marketing, using AI to automate and scale income, high-income freelancing and consulting, investing in digital assets for scalable profits. But here's the secret that most people overlook. The real key to scaling your income isn't just picking one of these strategies. It's about combining them strategically. For example, you can create a YouTube channel, strategy number 2, sell your own digital product, strategy number 1, and use AI to scale your content production, strategy number 3. Or you could start freelancing, strategy number 4, reinvest your profits into buying websites, strategy number 5, and build multiple income streams at once. That's how people actually hit $10,000 per month online. Now, it's time to take action. Which strategy stood out to you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're going to try first. And if you found this video valuable, smash the like button, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.